Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we're gonna present about our topic, which is water pollution. This is my team, Amma, me, Nadira, Aino Mardia, and Akil Nazmi. Introduction of water pollution. Water pollution is a serious global problem with immediate and long-term effects. It disrupts ecosystems, harms aquatic life, and poses health risks to humans. Collective action is necessary to enforce stricter regulation, invest in sustainable solutions, and educate the public. Individual responsibility and innovation are crucial in combating water contamination. Every effort, regardless of scale, contributes to securing a clean water future.
My name is Aina Mardia binti Narawi. My metric number is E2280156. I will continue this present with discussion. Among the problems found in water pollution are the first problem is industrial waste. Industrial waste often contain hazardous chemicals such as heavy metal, pesticides, and organic chemicals. Disposing of this waste directly into water without adequate treatment can cause water pollution. Second problem is agriculture and excess nutrient. Unsustainable agriculture practice such as the excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides can cause excess nutrient flow into water. This can cause eutrophication, where excessive algae growth harm the aquatic system. The third problem is oil and hydrocarbon. Oil spill from tanker accident or oil drilling activities can cause significant water pollution. Oil and hydrocarbon can damage the marine environment and coastal ecosystem. And the last water pollution problem is brain and chemical industry waste. Certain industrial processes produce waste in the form of brain, salt solution, and dangerous chemical that, if not managed properly, can contaminate water. I will continue the discuss with issue. Among the issues that arise in water pollution are the first issue is human health. Contaminated water can threaten human health if used for consumption or domestic needs. Contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, heavy metal and chemical compounds can cause diseases such as diarrhea, water tract infection, and long-term health problems. The second issue is climate change, climate change and water pollution. Climate change can affect rainfall pattern, resulting in flood or drought, which in turn can affect water pollution levels. Climate change and also increase the intensity of storm, which can carry waste and contaminants into water source. Third issue is increase water utilization for agriculture and industry. Pop- pop- Population growth and industrial development increase the demand for water for agriculture and industrial needs. Missions of water and the imbalance between demand and supply can worsen the condition of water pollution. And the last issue is limit clean water resource. Water pollution causes a decline in the quality of clean water resource, which ultimately threatens the availability of safe water for human consumption and ecosystem needs. There are several challenges in dealing with water pollution problem and issue. Among them are the first challenge is cross-boundary pollution, because water bodies frequently cut across several different jurisdictions. It can be difficult to implement and coordinate pollution management measures. In order to combat cross-border pollution, cooperation between surrounding nations, regions, and international organizations is essential. The second challenge is industrial emission. Industry release chemicals, heavy metals, and other toxics into the water, which lead to pollution. To manage industrial pollution, strict law, the development of cleaning manufacturing technology, and routine monitoring are required. The third challenge is public education and awareness. Attempts to remedy the problem may be hampered by a lack of knowledge about the effects of water contamination. Campaigns for public education and community engagement are crucial for encouraging pollution avoidance, proper trash disposal, and responsible use of water. And the last challenge is economic consideration. It may be difficult to strike a balance between environmental preservation and economic growth. Finding a balance can be facilitated by putting into practice affordable pollution management strategies and accounting for the full cost of pollution in business operation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Remedial measures for water pollution encompass various strategies. First, wastewater treatment plants improve and expand wastewater treatment facilities to effectively remove pollutions before discharge into water bodies. Second, source control. Implement strict regulations on industrial and agricultural practice to minimize the release of pollutions into water source. Next, riparian buffer zones. Establish vegetated buffer zones along water bodies to filter pollutions, prevent runoff, and promote natural water purifications. Next, green infrastructure. Invest in green infrastructure such as permeable pavements and green roof to reduce stormwater runoff and its associated pollutions. Next, public awareness and education. Educate the public about responsible waste disposal and the impact of pollution on water qualities, fostering a sense of environmental responsibility. With that, thank you.
In conclusion, water pollution caused by human activity can have a major impact on ecosystem and also health. This water pollution is through industrial waste, fertilizer, and plastics. It can reduce the biodiversity and also promote the algae bloom that can reduce the BOD level or biochemical oxygen demand. To solve this problem, the top roles and long-term policies such as improve the wastewater treatment and awareness to people are important. Natural resource economic interact with valuing water, resolving pollutions, market failure, and promoting sustainability. A strategy that can reflect the culture of this job is important to the future of sustainability.